sitting nicely, ready for Friday's assembly.
Yeah, I am ready. I'm sitting.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Friday's Gem Assembly. Today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the gem powers, and that power is diamond power. Now I know we've already talked about this before, but it's a really important gem power and one that we can all definitely get better at. Let's remind ourselves exactly what diamond power is and the actual points that we're really going to focus on today. So the first one is about taking responsibility. The next one is about being organised and independent. We also need to identify resources to help us, and we have to seek solutions. So how can diamond power help us today? Well, I want to talk to you about being an independent learner. And diamond power can definitely help you to become one of those. You are already having to be independent learners because we're all learning from home at the moment, and you're doing a really good job. But at Begbrook, a really good job's never really good enough, is it? We want to know how to be even better, and we're always looking for ways to improve. So, how can we improve being an independent learner, and why do we even want to do that? Well, did you know that being an independent learner actually makes your outcomes improve? And not just in school, in everything. Did you know that if you're an independent learner, it actually makes you a more confident person? It increases your motivation and it helps with creativity too. They're all pretty good reasons, I think, aren't they? Let's have a think about how we can actually improve those skills. I've got a few top tips for you, okay? My first one is to have a daily plan. Now, this will help you know what you need to achieve each day. That's about taking responsibility for your learning. We've given you an example of what a daily plan might look like. If you're a great independent learner, maybe you want to write your own one or just make a few changes. That's fine. My next top tip is to use a checklist. I use a checklist all of the time. I love being able to tick off when I've completed activities. And if I've got a really big job to do, I like to tick it off in small chunks. That keeps me motivated and means that I get to the end of every task. I reckon you could try the same. My third tip is be prepared. We all know that learning isn't learning unless we sometimes get a bit stuck. But we can be prepared for when that happens. Have some strategies that you will use ready for when you do get stuck, rather than worrying about it at the time. Being prepared is why it's diamond power, because it's about being organised. And finally, don't forget to reflect on your learning. Did you use the best strategies to help you that day? What have you actually learned? Can you summarise it? If your answers are all positive, if yes, you did use the best strategies, then brilliant. You will become a confident person. If it didn't go so well, that's okay too. You can have another think. Reflect. Can you solve those problems in a different way? Don't forget, that's why it's diamond power. So, let's do a reflection of our own. My top tips were, number 1, have a daily plan. Number 2, have a checklist and tick things off as you go. Number 3, plan for when you might get stuck and think about those strategies that will help you. And number 4, don't forget to reflect on what you've already learnt. That will really help things to sink in. The photo challenge of this week then is we want to know what strategies you're going to use when you are stuck. And it would be amazing if you could send us a photo of you using those strategies. We absolutely love seeing the photos of you, and I hope you agree that your year group websites look incredible. So please send a photo in if you can. That's all from me today. I will see you again really soon. Good luck for the next week. Bye. Now, I'd normally give a sticker to one of you, but today I think I'm going to have to give it to her.